Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the eFootBall game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the game, go ahead and open it up and you will be taken through the main menu where you can choose your preferred team and set up your username as well as other information. Now after setting up all of these information, you will be asked to play a tutorial match. After the match is over and you are familiar with most of the controls, you will gain access to the main menu, and now from the main menu or your home page, you will be able to directly start playing your match. However, if you wish to sign up and connect all of your progress to an online account, now from your home page, tap on extras at the top section and you will be able to find various game options. And now from the extras menu, tap on the support option. From the support page, you will be able to find link data. Tap on the link data option and now you have two different options. You can use your Google Play account or your Konami ID. Just tap on whichever option is suitable for you and then you will be taken into the login page where you can tap on the proceed button and then you can tap on register email address and password as new user. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to fill up your credentials. Just enter your country followed by your language and then enter your date of birth. Then type in your email address followed by your desired password. After typing in all of these, just tap on the two checkbox to agree with the term of use and the privacy policy and then tap on send code. You will then receive a verification code within the email address that you just entered. Just type in the verification code within the next screen and your account will be officially signed up and linked to your eFootBall account. And now you have successfully been signed up to your new account on the eFootBall game and all of your progress will be linked on this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the eFootBall game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.